at home. I just went for a stroll. But when I returned, I saw this note underneath my door stating, you'll never ever see me again. So now our love must end. You'll never ever see me again, my friend. Because I'll be taking the strain. I'll be taking the westbound train. I'll be going to a place where there is happiness. So you'll never ever see me again. I'll be taking the westbound train. You'll never ever see me again, my friend. No, you'll never ever see me too. Whoa, Jerry baby, I've gotta find you, baby, 'cause I never knew you were like that, the one to make me sad. And now I'm in a very, very steep position. So that's why this train won't miss me, 'cause I've gotta find my Jerry baby. You'll never ever see me, no. Whoa. So that's why this train won't